The different modes of this light are controlled on these switches on the cigarette lighter adapter, and this light is very bright and very powerful.
Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the ASPL 48 LED rooftop strobe light, an emergency safety light. And this is how it comes to you. I've unboxed it, and this is everything that you get in the box. Okay, I have flipped the light over, wanted to give you a look at the underside, and you can see it's got two very large suction cups. This emergency light is powered with the cigarette lighter adapter, and I want you to see here on the end you have control switches that will operate this light. Let's do a quick measurement on this light. It is 10 3/4 inches long and it is 6 inches deep. Now obviously everything's encased, but let me give you some close-up looks at this. Everything that I can tell, this light looks very high quality. Once again, the suction cups on the bottom.
Here I am. I'm going to take you through some of these modes on this light, and to do that, it's all controlled from the cigarette lighter adapter, so you can control the power on and off and go through all of the different light modes until you find one you like.
All right, it's sitting on top of my truck. Let's go ahead and give her a test.
In addition to the suction cups, there are also magnets that attach the light to metal, such as the rooftop of my truck.
And now I'm going to hit some of the modes, and we'll change the modes. And I'm going to continue to just change modes. And now I'm going to turn it off.
I drove down to the end of my street, and here I am coming back with the light on to give you a better visual of what it may look like in the night. It is extremely bright and you will be seen.
Now I really like this safety light. I think it's pretty awesome. I think you'll like it too. So if you're looking at this, I hope you found the video helpful.